One, two, three, funk it.
Breakfast waffle or pancake? Crumbled.
Hungarian.
Hungarian sausage breakfast.
Tapos oatmeal. Oatmeal tsaka pancake. Then waffle. Anong waffle ba? Mix? Pwede bang isang pancake yun mo? O mamimili lang yun? Either of the two. What do you want to prefer? You choose between pancake or waffle? Ha? Pancake and hot choco yung drinks mo.
2 hot chocolate.
2 hot choco? 3 hot choco?
Hello mga beshies, how are you? I hope you're all doing well. So for today's video, we're here in Extreme and Espresso with the Havillands and Devin. How are you mga beshies?
Welcome to my high.
How are you guys?
Welcome to our vlog.
Yeah, welcome to our vlog. Say hi, Doc. What can you say about this place? Cold and cozy. How about you? What can you say? Yeah, it's actually my first time to try the breakfast here because we've been here before, right? Like how many years back?
We just have coffee and juice.
Yeah, so this time I'm gonna try the breakfast. Hi,
How about
hi
you,
Harper.
Harper?
Say hi.
What did you have? What did you have? What did you order?
Say hi mga beshi.
Say hi mga besties. I said I ordered waffles and pancakes. I ordered waffles.
Harper, say hi mga beshies.
Say hi mga besties.
Nasa Jurassic Park pala tayo mga beshies. See you later. beshies, I'm having the pork fritters for breakfast. And Bebes having the tap silog. Charing. And then there's a fruit platter. Oh, mga beshies, let's eat breakfast. Hello mga beshies, how are you? I hope you're all doing well. So for today's video, dito tayo sa Harbor Point. And we saw a ramen bar. Oh, outside siya. So we're gonna try their food here. And I'll show you the menu as well in a while. Ano mo, sobrang ganda. Wooden siya. Tapos may mga seatings na ganyan. So we will order from this side. We'll look for the menu. Let's go! This is their menu here.
Spicy ka daw na.
Feelings.
Oh, feelings.
Sorry guys. Taga Bicol yan. Gusto mo.
Ito yung, ito ba yung sa Hong Kong, yung order natin?
Meron din sila mga sushi platters. Let's go! So, yan siya sa harap. Oh, diba? Tapos may mga seatings this side and that side as well. Let's go, mga beshies!
We're in Japan, in the Philippines.
Yeah, it's our first time to try this, so I hope we're gonna have a good experience so we can come back again. Harper, come here! You gonna stay there? Say hi! Say hi, mga beshies! Hi, mga beshies! Yeah, let's go! Good job, Harper.
Sa Japan. Yung isa ko doon. Sorry po ha, ikot ka ng ikot.
Bilis.
Pwede nga yung plate. Yung plate. Tempura po. Sabay, in-order ba kayong tempura?
Wala.
Meron
Ano lang?
ako.
Ay, nag-order ka ba? Akala ko si
Yung
Beshi.
isa doon. Yung isa doon. Ay, nasa naman? Hindi ko pa naman alam. Bakit yun naman dyan?
Hi, Beshi.
Hi.
How's your ramen?
Surprisingly, it's good.
Yeah. The flavor of that ramen is spicy.
Spicy.
Spicy pork. It's
Yeah.
pork, right?
We're here at Makimura.
Yes. Come here, guys. When you're here in Olongapo, let's go. SBMA.
Spicy na ubo.
Hi, Doc.
Hello.
How's your feedback about the food?
I give it a one green face.
Yeah.
Means I'm very happy.
Yeah.
It's very authentic. I feel like I'm in Japan.
Wow. Japan feels something.
Delicious ramen and delicious salmon sashimi.
And it's finished already.
It's over. It's over.
Enjoy! Bebe, how's the ramen?
Super yummy.
Is it authentic? Like, how would you rate it from 1 to 10? 8. 8? Wow, not bad. How about these two? Like the... Ano ba to?
This is 10.
This is 10.
7?
This is 8. Ito bagay kay Ana to because it's sweet.
Ikaw?
For me, this is 10 also. For me, 8.
Damot. Ang damot. Ang damot sa
mahirap na advisor to.
Mahirap i-please.
Let's go mga beshies.
1, 2, 3, funky.
My darling, I love you.